Okay, so the class told me that this is the letter E. Everybody take out your handy dandy chalkboard. Isaac, this is our handy dandy chalkboard. And no, just use this one. And this is what we use for our pointer. You write it on your hand while I do it on the card. So little E goes like this. He starts at the red dot. He goes up, up, up like a roller coaster. He curves back, crosses his legs, touches the pink carpet, and smiles. Let me see. Oh, don't erase it. Let me see. Oh, looks good. Oh, I like how you touch the pink carpet. No, you're using your hand. You're using your hand. Oh, no scribbling. Okay, erase. Erase. Looks good, Landon. Olivia, what letter is this? Very good. Class, what does you say? Now you, if we cover up this side of little U, it looks like little I. Without his hat, and the same as this side. And when we did little I, we talked about how little I goes up and comes down like a secret. Isaac and Olivia, when we go up on little I, we come back down on the same line. So that's how we do little U. Handy dandy chalkboards and your pencil, your pretend pencil, and you do it on your hand while I do it on the card. Here we go. Start at the red dots. Go up to the blue dotted line. Come back down on the same line. Touch the pink carpet. Smile up to the blue dotted line. Come back down on the same line. And then smile. Make sure you're touching that pink carpet. Make sure that you're staying in the downstairs. Okay, show me. Looks good. Looks good. Oh, just show me, don't tell me. Just show me, don't tell me. Thank you for raising your hand. Yes, Zachary? It's touching the pink carpet. Give yourself a pat on the back. Very good. All right, let's do one more vowel, and then we're going to talk. Erase, erase. Do one more vowel, and then I'm going to talk about our consonant. We're going to talk about little O. First grade, eyes on me. No talking so that everyone can hear. Violet? Yep, when the big hand is on the 6, so 10 more minutes. Can you hang on for 10 more minutes? All right, let's look at little O. Eyes up here. You do it on your handy dandy chalkboard while I do it on here. Little O starts at the red dot, which is on the blue dotted line. He curves around towards the house, touches the pink carpet, goes back up to the blue dotted line, and then just like a little Piggly Wiggly's tail, he goes in and out. Now let's look at O compared to A. Little O and little A are very similar. Little A also starts just below the blue dotted line. He curves around, touches the pink carpet, but then he stops at the stop sign and goes the other way. Then he touches the pink carpet and smiles. So A, what does A do? A stops, go the other way. Little O, just a minute, little O goes in and out. Little O goes in and out. Now, Isaac, you have a question? Oh, my magic trick. So I have 2 magnets, and when the magnets have a north pole and a south pole, and when they are the opposite of each other, they attract, and when they are the same, they repel, which means they push each other away. So if I put one on one side of my card and one on the other, then that helps me trace my letter without my finger being in the way.
How do
I can see through the back of the card. All right, let's look at our consonant because it's almost time for recess. Put your hands down. We're going to do a consonant today. We're going to do little t. Now, little t is very similar. Eyes are looking. Mouths are quiet. Little t is very similar to little I. This part is the same, but he is a little bit more brave than little I, Alyssa. He goes halfway to the upstairs. He's a little more brave than little I, and he does not wear a hat. Raise your hand. Little I does not wear a hat. Instead, what does he wear, Abby? Right here.
He wears a scarf.
You could call it a scarf. I usually call it a bow tie. Okay, so everybody watch little I, little t. Little t starts at the red carpet, goes up halfway to the upstairs. Then he comes down like a secret on the same line. Touch the pink carpet and go up. After you've done little t, then you give him his bow tie or his scarf. Okay, one more time. I start at the red carpet. I go up halfway to the ceiling. Then I come back down on the same line to the pink carpet. Then I smile. When I'm done, I give him his bow tie. Go ahead and take out your paper for today. So take out your classwork folder. Take out your classwork folder. Your math was on the front. Turn it to the back. Your math was on the front. Turn it to the back. This is the page for today. It's page 11.
It's 5 o'clock.
Page 11. We have 5 minutes, so I want to go over this paper together.
5 minutes.
Okay, papers. That is a different one. You're right, that is 11. Just trade it with a different pencil. You need your paper. All right. The first step is always the same.
I take out my pencil and write my name.
Okay, everybody write your name. Okay, everybody write your name, and then you're going to do little t. You're going to start at the red carpet, go up halfway to the ceiling, go up halfway to the ceiling, come back down on the same line, touch the pink carpet, and smile. Then you give him his bow tie. Now on your paper today, you're going to trace, and then you're going to try to write some on your own. After you write your little T's, you're going to write some words, some short words that have a vowel in them. You're going to write at, t, te. So when you write a blend, you start with the first letter and you keep going to the next letter before you put your pencil down. I will show you.
Miss Gucci, you forgot the...
Okay, thank you. I'm going to show you real quick how to do a blend. Now in house number 1, you're going to practice your T's. But in house number 3 and 4, you have some blends and short words. Yes, Isaac? That's okay. I'll come back and help you in just a second, okay? Nobody needs to start just yet. Pencils down after you've written your name. Okay, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show the camera real quick how to do a blend. So, we're going to do, everybody look at house number 3. Put your finger at house number 3. Put your finger at house number 3. Put your finger at house number 3. Okay, I would like to go over this and then we'll have a break and then we'll come back and finish. Look at house number 3. House number 3. All right. The first letter is little a. You trace while I write. Little a starts just below the blue dotted line. Goes up to the blue dotted line. Curve around towards the house. Touch the pink carpet. Go back up to the red dot. Stop. Go the other way. Come back down to the pink carpet. Now guess what? You're not done. We are writing 2 letters. So when we write in cursive, you do not pick up your pencil until you're done with both letters.
Did we just write in cursive?
That's what you're doing right now. If you're tracing, you're supposed to be tracing while I'm talking. Go get a new pencil.
No, I'm trying to
Do what I do. Okay, so then you smile, go up halfway to the ceiling, come back down to the pink carpet, and smile. Now you're done. Now you give him his bow tie. I want to come see who traced it. Some of you did not trace while I was talking. Violet did. I'm going to give Violet a bracelet. I asked you to trace in house number 3 while I did it on the board. I asked you to trace it on house number 3 while I did it on the board. Very good. I'm very proud of you. I see that a lot of you did do that. Okay, so put your bracelet. Hey, this is what we were doing right here. Get your bracelet and then sit right back down. Okay, so that's how you're going to do the rest of the houses when we are writing blends or short words. First grade, lips are quiet. Just put your bracelet on your cone and then have a seat. Just a second. So go ahead and finish page 11. We will do page 12 tomorrow. Bye-bye.